She's good at putting this together. Put it together. Put it together.
What?
Oh, you did it. Oh, and you give the baby a kiss?
Oh, no.
Oh. Uh-oh. Did you? Now what are you going to do? Are you going to put it together? Oh, you did it. Good job. She knows how to put that together.
Sure.
At 18. You. Oh. 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 Oh.
Yeah,
You might be away from
that's why I
Mike.
wanted that page.
You might be in the driveway on that too.
Yeah, I hear right.
Stay away from Mike.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you kissed the baby? You got it open. You got it open.
What is so funny in here? Oh my gosh, somebody's in a good mood.
Did you need more meatballs? Or
I kept the ones that we have, and that's not good. 'Cause I have
and do you need carrots?